So in this video we'll see Lex and Yacc programs for the grammar. S produces SS star or SS plus or A. So let us see the problem statement. So write Yacc program and Lex program for the following grammar. S produces SS plus or SS star or A. So we need to form the valid and invalid input strings manually and give them as input for your executable code of Yacc program and validate the input strings. So let us see the solution. First we need to write the Lex program. So include the standard input output header file and include y.tab.h where the tokens and the token IDs are defined, and YYL value will be used to communicate the integer values between Lex and Yacc program. So let us see the rules section of the Lex program. So if A is recognized, then return ID. So that's a token we are going to pass that A is recognized from the Lex program to the Yacc program. So if tab or space is recognized, we don't want to perform anything. If dot is recognized, return whatever the string, whatever the character we have recognized, that we are going to return to the Yacc program. If new line character, return 0. If space is recognized, return 0. So that's all regarding the rule part in the Lex program. So this is the YY-wrap function. So if we want to return back anything to the input buffers in the Lex program, YY-wrap function we can redefine here. So let us see the Yacc program. So here we need to mention the grammar. So in the rule section, what are all the variables we want to declare, we can define here. So here I have included standard input output header file, then percentage token ID. So that will be used to pass. If A is recognized in the Lex program, the ID will be passed here. So in the rule section, we are going to define the grammar rules. So the first rule is expression produces expression star. So this is S produces SS star. Then in the second one, S produces SS plus. So here star and plus we want to recognize using YY text of 0 from the Lex program to the Yacc program. They have to be enclosed within the single quote. Then S produces ID. So here expression produces ID, it's equivalent to S produces A. So if small a is recognized, ID will be written from the Lex to Yacc program. So that's all regarding the grammar production rule. So we have to terminate with the semicolon as we reach the end of the grammar, and then rule section of the Yacc program is done. So in the Yacc program we need to write the main function. So here we'll prompt the user to enter the expression which will satisfy this grammar. So the grammar is S produces SS plus or SS star or A. So the user can enter A or A plus or A plus or A star or multiple A's followed by star. So such kind of valid inputs he can give, as well as wrong inputs like A plus, such kind of invalid inputs also he can give us input and check. Then we need to call the YY-parse function. So there all the converted code from the Yacc program to the C functions will be there. So that will be called by giving YY-parse. Then if it is valid, we will be printing it's a valid expression. If it is error, it will go to the YY-error function. So we have redefined the YY-error function to print that it is syntax error. Thank you.